Sometimes you need some dummy text to fill a frame, just to complete a mock-up of your design. Traditionally, designers have typed some Latin text called lorem ipsum to stand in position for text that they may not have yet. Now, if you need some placeholder text like that, you'll be pleased to hear that InDesign can type it all for you. Let's see how. I'm going to fill this frame with some dummy text, so I'll select it with the selection tool, and I'll zoom into 200% by pressing Command 2 or Control 2 on Windows. And then I'm going to double-click to switch to the Type tool automatically. Now let's fill this with the dummy text. I'll go to the Type menu, and way down at the bottom, you'll see an item called Fill with Placeholder Text. That's all you need to do. Select that, and it fills it with this random Latin text. So that's great. It's very easy. It formats it with whatever formatting was already in that text frame. Looks good, but some people don't like Latin. They don't feel like it matches their final look and feel well enough. So I'm going to show you how you can replace this Latin with any text you want. First, I'm going to select all that text with a Command A or Control A on Windows and delete it. Next, I'm going to go grab a new placeholder text file. Now, I've created one of these for you, but you can make your own if you want. Just take any text at all. It could be legal boilerplate stuff. It could be lists of things. It could be anything you want. I just grabbed some random text off the website, and I saved it in a text file. On the Mac, you could use the simple text editor that it comes with. On Windows, you could use Notepad. Doesn't matter. Just save it as straight ASCII text and give it a name called placeholder.txt. Now, in this case, I've made one for you if you have the exercise files. So I'm just going to grab this placeholder text file and drag it into, where? The Adobe InDesign folder. This is the actual program. There's the InDesign program inside the application folder or the program folders on Windows. And all you need to do is put the placeholder.txt file loose inside that InDesign folder. You don't need to restart InDesign or anything like that. I'll come back to InDesign, and let's try it again. Let's try filling with our placeholder text. And this time, instead of going to the Type menu, I'll use my Context menu by right-clicking or Control-click with a one-button mouse. And there it is, Fill with Placeholder Text. Click it, and in comes all of that text. This is that random text that I pulled off of the website. I don't even know what language that is. Kind of interesting, but it fills the text. But I do need to warn you that there is an important rule when you use placeholder text. Don't forget to replace it with the final text later.